Hello, good evening, Ravi, Vasu.
Hello, Sridhar.
All of you online guys. Good evening, all of you. Okay, so online guys, please today also share your mail IDs and phone numbers under chat box. Give me your mails and phone numbers in chat box. As of the second demo, I would like to be covered here. First of all, yesterday's session, 5 to 10 minutes. Then we'll see practical implementation of this server database. How can we interact with the database? Okay. So then we'll see. How can we interact with the database? How database look like? SQL where we have to be used exactly. And what was the difference between databases with SQL? Then we'll see. All of you online guys, please share your mails and phone numbers in the chat box. Yesterday we covered as of the first demo. These are all the topics. What is data? Data format, data storages, structured data presence in databases, and on-premises and cloud data storages, database providers and products. SQL overview we have discussed. So what is mean by the data? Data is nothing but the collection of information or whatever format it is, either in number format, character, or else video, audio, date format, different format data are presented. So data is nothing but the collection of information. If you are saying something about any object, about employee, or else about Aadhaar card, if we are saying that is, we call it as a data. Aadhaar ID, Aadhaar name, Aadhaar location, complete one person, Aadhaar information. So it should be in whatever the data it is in a world. Bank data, clinical data, airlines data, shipping data, telecom data. Whatever data it is, it should be come under three categories: structured, unstructured, and semi-structured data. Three formats. But in database level, the most probably all databases will support structured data only. So structured means it should be in tabular format. Okay, in an organized manner, we have to store data in database. Database will allow maximum only structured data only. Aadhaar code. Okay, one person, one information. Second person, second information. Like that, then we can store. Aadhaar code means all Aadhaar codes should be same format. Aadhaar number, name, address, location, date of birth, and phone number. So this is called as a structured data. Wherever after decide to store your data, why we need to store our data? To know what happened. If we are not going to store present, then we can't say the past. Past we are not saying we can understood. We cannot understand the past. Then future, then we can't estimate it. What needs to be happened, then we can't say. What needs to be happened if you want to say? What happened, then we have to understand. Then only then we can estimate what needs to be happened. So wherever we are storing our data according to the system, that is, we call it as a data storage area. According to the system, where we are storing our data. See here, according to system, two major areas are there to store our data. One is a file format. Second one is database format. File formats, lot of file formats are available. Word, Excel, PDF, XML, JSON, JPEG. Yes, JPEG is also one of the file. Then what we can store here, images. Image is also one of the data. So today, if you are taking a snap, then after 1 year, then we can see. So this is all file formatted data, but there is a disadvantage is there whenever we are coming for files. Huge volumes of data, then we can't control it. And also one file to other file, physically, then we can't make the relation. To overcome this, they introduce the database product. It is a tool. Database is a tool to store our structured data years and years and years. To organize, what is meant by the database? Database is a collection of organized collection of data. It is in a format of tables, queries, views, like this. So in proper manner, we are collected and we are taking in and we are loading in a database level. So in one place, years and years and years of data, then we can store it. Aadhaar table,
Hello.
for example.
Hello.
If it is
Hello.
Aadhaar table, hello, can you hear me? Who is on Galaxy A12? Do you have any questions? All of you online guys, please provide your phone number and mail ID under chat box. Then only then we can share these documents, whatever we are discussing, those documents, and yesterday's demo video and today's demo video, then we can share. Otherwise, it's not possible.
Hello.
Yes, please. Right. Then see now, database is a tool. Who is providing this tool? So these are all organizations are providing the tool. All our companies, IBM, Oracle, Teradata, Microsoft. Okay, generally then we can heard about these are all companies. Company names we can hear. Snowflake, MongoDB, MySQL, PostgreSQL. Each and every organization, they are providing lot of databases. Database is nothing but organized collection of data storage. We call it as a database. As for the requirement, whatever we want, then we can choose and we can keep on store our data in database level. SQL Server or in Oracle or in MySQL. So wherever we want to store, there we can purchase the tool. Once if we purchase the tool, then must and should, if I want to say something to the server to store data or to update data, delete data, modify data, anything else if you want to speak with this database, must and should be required. SQL part is required. Structured query language is required. SQL is a language. SQL Server is a database. SQL Server is Microsoft database it is. The name of the product is called as SQL Server. The name of the product is called as SQL Server it is. So it is introduced, first of all, IBM Corporation in 1970s. Initially, they call it as a SQL. After that, the SQL is included in ANSI standards. Now we are calling it as a SQL. Structured query language it is. If you want to work with any database, Oracle, Sybase, Microsoft Access, SQL, Teradata, then what we required is we required a structured query language is required. Yes, it's a very easy language to learn. All is command oriented only. We are commanding the server or we are commanding the database according to the question, according to the query. The database is going to be work. See here now. In my system, I have two databases. For example, database is a tool. If you want to work with the tool, then must and should be required, a system is required. Not only this database, any tool, C, C++, Java, or else Power BI. So if you want to work with the tool to be configured in system level, then we can interact. Otherwise, it's not possible. Just the same like as once if you purchase the bike, road is required. If you don't have a road, then how can we use this bike? It's not possible, right? Same process here also. So the first of all system required, and in a system, OS is required, operating system is required. Operating system means this is the platform it is. Operating system is a platform, okay, to install your all softwares. For example, see, Secunderabad railway station is a platform. Okay, right or wrong? So it is a station. Why this platform? They're having different platforms. Secunderabad railway station having different platforms. Why the platforms? If you don't have a platform, trains, arrivals, departures not happened. Then how the passenger is going to be communicated with the train? It's not happened. Right or wrong? Same way here also. So if you want to work with any tool, mandatory we required. Operating system is required. OS is required. In your smartphones, if you don't have an Android, We can't speak with the phone. We can't interact with the phone. Right, wrong. So software, hardware together will work. That is meant by this operating system. If our operating system have a capacity, then we can store here different tools. Power BI, ADF, SQL Server, and Oracle, whatever you want, tools. All tools, then we can go and we can install here. All tools we can install in one place. And this is for the space is called as Oracle space. See here now, this one is Power BI tool. And this is Informatica tool. And this one is .NET or a Python. If software is not there in your mission, then we can't work with Python. And the same way here also, SQL Server. It's a database. And this is a Oracle. Yes, our system have a capacity. Then we can install multiple tools. As an end user, if you want to interact with this all tools, SQL Server, if you want to communicate, then we have to open this one. Oracle, if you want to communicate, then we have to open this one. See here, already in my system, two databases installed. One is Microsoft SQL Server database. Second one is Oracle database it is. See this environments. This is a pure Oracle database software. Oracle SQL developer. What it is? Oracle Corporation is providing for us database. And the same way, SSMS. This is one of the tool to interact with SQL Server database. This database is a Microsoft database and Oracle is see this one is Oracle database. Two databases we have here in our system. Okay. Now, if you want to say something to the Oracle or SQL Server and what needs to be done here, don't worry about it. These are all we'll talk in regular session in deep. Just for understanding, I'm showing this one. How the SQL look like. Oracle server, SQL server database. Just like two bikes. Okay. Now I know the driving. If you know the driving, Pulsar we can handle. Royal Enfield also we can handle it. Right, wrong? Now, if I know SQL, structured query language, then I can speak with Oracle. Then I can speak with Microsoft database also. How? See now. I want to open database here. One second, I forgot the password. Okay. Now see, it was connected. See, once if we are entered into the database, this database is called as HR. Here also, databases, employee DB. What is meant by the database? It is a container to store all objects. To store our objects, it is a just container it is. Okay. So, same way, tables, views, indexes, packages, procedures, then by default, the server is providing lot of things, right or wrong? These are all then we can use to store our data, to organize our data, or to maintain our data, okay, or to provide the security for our data. Same way, Microsoft SQL Server database is also providing tables, views, procedures, functions, symbols, sequences. So these are all features. This one is also providing for us. Right or wrong? Table. See, here is also table is there. And here also we are having table. Here also we are having a view. Here also we are having a view. Right? So for this tool to this tool, we have some sort of differences, feature only. But SQL is same. Then go and open a tables, account table, countries, departments, employees. These are all tables are in HR container, HR database. Here what we are having, then go and open and see here. Here also we are having employees, departments, countries, locations, and regions. Right or wrong? 2 bedrooms are there in one house. Simple. This is a 1 bedroom and this is a 1 room. Here also we are storing bed and here also we have a bed. This bed is different, this bed is different. This bed is in 2 or beds only. But this bed is in this room under this space. This bed is in under this room. Clear? Different rooms, different beds. But bed is common. Right or wrong? Bed is same. So same product. 2 products we are here, some bed, 1 bed, and some other room, 1 more bed we are taking. Same process. Here also table and here also the table. Now, if you want to speak with this database, I want to already this employee table existed. Then I want to see this employee table data. I want to ask this server, go and show me the data. See, like this I am writing. Go and show me employees table data. Okay, this is my question. This question I want to send to server. Who will execute this question? Question will be run by the server only. Once if you are going to be run, see here, what it is coming, error message. Boss, you are providing pure English language. What is this? I can't understand. One second. Right, guys. All of you, please provide your mail IDs and phone numbers in the chat box. Who didn't share till share your mails and phone numbers. See, this was the language it cannot understand. And which language we had to speak? Only SQL only. See here also I am going to execute it. Incorrect syntax. Then what it is saying is whatever you are saying, I can't understand this. What is the meaning of this query? What you are requesting? That is what we required here. SQL is a required structured query language we require in a grammatical format. Okay, then we have to send the command to the server. See now how we are sending select star from employees. Like this, I'm asking. Select from employees table. Star represents everything, all. Then select and execute it. Is it coming or not? See now. Pure in a table format, it is displaying. Boss, you are having all 107 employees information existed. This was the information for every employee, employee ID, first name, last name, email, phone number, hire date, job ID. So this is the way then it is showing. Right? Then go and see, select here also. Star from EMP. Right? But here employee is not there. What we are having here? Here we have a EMP is there, table name. Go and execute it. Here also it is showing it same or not. Okay. Command is not varied here and here. Same command. We are sending the request to the SQL server same and Oracle also same. Right? So see now, not like this. What I am asking is now I don't want all columns for each and every employee ID. First name and last name is there here, but I don't want first name and last name. Make it as a full name
The first name, last name.
in one column.
They got
Then what
మంచిగా
needs to be done? Select
అవసరం
employee.
పోనా
Online guys, please mute your systems. First name and see here. This was the concatenation symbol in Oracle. And next, what we are asking? Last name. For every record from employee table. See now. Now I want to execute this one. Select, go and execute it. Is it coming or not? Employee ID. Then it is going to be combined first name, space, and last name. Right? Same query, I want to take it. Then I want to paste in SQL server level. But here, employees table is not there, only employee it is. Only it is employee. Go and execute it. Error message is coming. What is error message? This symbol is not supporting by the SQL. Here, if you want to concatenate, what needs to be done? Plus. In Oracle, concatenation symbol is combined. Symbol is two pipelines. right? Wrong. But here is plus. Then go and execute it now. Both are providing same result, right? Wrong. What was the variation? Operator is only the variation. This operator here and this operator here. Remaining are all same, right? Wrong. So this was the variation between servers. Complete logic is same, but only the difference is little bit of difference. So in operators, syntactical formats only. The remaining are all functionalities same. Okay. So this was the way then we can go and we can learn SQL part. So to interact anything else if you want to say to the server. So select insert, load, update, delete, any operation. If you want to say, then we require SQL part is required or a join. I want to join two or more than two tables. Okay. So for this, we are using SQL part. See here, who needs to learn SQL and what kind of roles we are having in SQL level. Okay, then we'll see. Or else roles and designations. See here, developer first. What kind of developer? SQL developer. Pure SQL developer is. His job is only to interact with the database only, not other. Load, delete, update, select. These are all things then he have to work. All development activities. Pure SQL developer. SQL is enough. Then one more, application developers who are experts in languages C, C++, Java, Python, and so on languages, PHP like this. These are all developers are going to be prepare applications. IRCTC or else Flipkart. You know very well, Flipkart. Flipkart is a website. Okay. The direct then we don't have a stores. So see here the Flipkart. Once if we are coming to the Flipkart. See now. I want to set something else here. Women bags or watches or a jackets. Once if you are going to be type and search this one, click on here. All products are coming. Right or wrong? Lot of products related to jackets, women jackets are coming. How this request knows? So is these are all women jackets are loading in this website in front end? No. This one is going to be connected to the database. Once we are requesting, so see here by using the URL, Then this request is sent to the server. Server is providing data. How it will provide? Database is not going to be provided like this, right or wrong? It is not going to be provide image like this. It will provide only tabular format. Select star from how it is showing the data. It is not showing any image format. It is showing in a table format only. This table formatted data, the Java developer, .NET developer, so they are going to be prepared like this. Or if you are going to be ordered something else on this website, okay, immediately then it is going to be load in database. So and so person, so and so place, so and so product, they ordered. That is what. So here all kind of application developers also require database knowledge. They need to load data from front end to back end, and they need to extract the data from back end to front end. And all kind of BI developers. So ETL developers, reporting people, and ETL testers. All people require SQL knowledge. So the why? Because if you want to make a report, data is required. Where the data is presented in database, then we have to pull the data from database. Okay. Or else as a ETL, if you want to load data, transform a data, if you want to load data, so then we require database knowledge is required. These are all people required. So all this kind of developers required SQL knowledge is required. Along with this, data science, data analysis, it's all related to the data engineer. Okay, all these are all designations required SQL, but mandatory it is. See here, application developers require SQL knowledge plus language knowledge. BI developers require SQL language plus, so BI tool knowledge required. But pure SQL developer required only, so only SQL required. We don't require anything else. And one more designation, see, that is called as admin. Okay. So what admin? DB admin. Database admin only. This part is to be maintained the servers. Permissions. And backup and recovery. Right? Yes, daily he need to take the backup. Something wrong happened. Again, they need to load, read back the data. And on the top of this guy, one more role is there, super admin. Who is this guy? Super admin. This guy role is, so component level or tool level performance. And complete tool watch. Space management. Tool level component management. That is all done by the super admins. These people, we call it as a super DBAs. Database admin means DBA. Super DBA, super database administrator. So these people, we call it as a super admins. Along with this, then we can see two more roles: database architect, data warehouse architect. These two roles' job is to design the database, how it should be, what type of data we have to maintain, how many tables we require, what are the columns we require, in each and every column level, what type of data we have to load, and which table to which table we have to make the relation. These are all will be decided by the modeling, all will be decided by this architects. Just these two persons will act like as a civil engineers. Okay, we are all mestris. They will give you the printout or a blueprint. Yes, this is the way then it should be constructed. Yes, the same way then we have to construct the database. We have to maintain the database. Simple best example is I want to construct a two floors building. Then what we are doing? First, we are going to be approach the civil engineer. Civil engineer will provide the plan for us. With this plan, then we are going to be construct this. Clear? These are all roles will be work on same servers. All are working on same place only in enterprises. So this is the way then we are going to be learn SQL by and by. And we are going to be cover and who shared your mail IDs. To those mail IDs, I will share with you the content. Okay. With these videos, demo videos, and content and basic understandable documents, then I will share with you. Go through that. And we are going to be cover here. These are all the topics. Okay. See here 30 to 35 hours it will take. Daily 1 hour session. Monday to Friday. So after this course completion, we'll provide project also near to real time. And after this completion of the course, resume preparations. I will help you for to prepare your resume CVs. Okay. Then these are all we are going to be covering the concepts. Along with materials, live video sessions, practicals, and pure interview questions. All will provide. After this completion of the course, then you can go and you can place years of experience in your resumes, plain SQL or with combinations. So this is the way the course will plan. And the rest of all, the management will speak with you. Okay. When the batch will start. And these are all the confirmations. My reception will get back to you. And they will let you know this when the batch will start and okay, timings and all. So if you have any queries online, guys, please raise your questions. Okay, thank you all of you guys. Good night, all of you.